Hello fellow steamers, St. Paul Steam here with my second 1/2 horse Sipp engine in the last few months. There'd be the first one about right down there. And came to me needing a little work, and I've done that. Took the everything off the base, totally disassembled it, and had the base professionally milled. They milled the whole, took quite a large machine. One of my customers, Acro Engineering in Greensburg, did the work for me. They completely milled the bottom, and they also touched up and milled the pads for the stanchion and the engine. So this thing is almost 100% perfectly true and parallel to itself. And I guarantee it's more level than any countertop you're going to put it on. So that came out really well. I'm still breaking it in. After you move and adjust the parts that much, there's going to be a break-in period. But got a nice brass whistle. We've got a Swift oiler here. Of course, we've got our pressure gauge. And speaking of oilers, this has got some neat ones on it. These are plunge type oilers. They screw in. There's a big rubber pad boot in there that forces grease into the oil journals on both sides. So that's pretty interesting. We have another onboard pulley, drive pulley there. And of course we have the original catalog acorn oilers there. And I just got done making this oiler, which has a little acorn on top of it too. It's about half again as big as the other ones, for the crosshead, because it needs more oiling and lubrication. So, enough talk. Let's get her up and running. This is one heavy machine. And just in running it over an hour or two, it's lost 4 psi pressure it takes to run it, so it is breaking in again. And as much metal as there is there, it's going to take a little while to break it in. It really runs a treat. We have a nice drain right there, the brass one. We'll round it up a little bit and then we'll slow it down. All right, folks, thanks for looking. As always, I appreciate it. Have a good day now.